Hello kids and welcome back. Now let's add one more if then statement here. Okay, so we want to understand if then statement it can goes too many times as we want. So every time it is checking some condition. If that happens, it will do that. If that is not happening, it is not going to do that. Let's say, let's get from again if then statement. Okay, but this time what I'm going to do from operators, I want two conditions. Okay, here, and one of the condition is touching mouse pointer, and okay, this is sorry, and the second condition is on the edge. Okay, so we have two conditions here if these both things are happening. Okay, if it is touching the edge and the mouse pointer all together, we are going to put it under here. What should happen? It should play some sound, play meow until done. Okay, and what should happen in the controls? Stop all. It should go here. Okay, if it is going to be outside here, it is going to stop it under any condition. So it has to be only in if then statement. Okay, so if it is touching mouse point and touching the edge all together, let's see what happens. Started playing my game, nothing is happening, the panda is just walking. If I am touching it in the center, it is saying hello for 2 seconds, then moving on. Okay, bouncing when it is touching the wall. Let's see what happens. Okay, now it has touched the mouse pointer and the edge together, and the game has stopped. So we have seen if then statements. We can use it multiple time in a program, and that what happens in real programming. The if then statement is so often in a program that it looks like just an if then table. You need to practice this one too much so it become very easy for you. See you in the next module. Bye bye now. Take care.